Hey, my YouTube family, this is Miss D. I'm just showing you what I made today. I just had some leftover red beans and rice with some baked chicken and some cucumber and tomato salad with olive oil and vinegar and my hot sauce. My red beans was they're really leftovers, and I just threw some thighs in the oven, but you gotta wash them really good. So this is called my Nola bound chicken. It has onions, tomatoes. It has mushrooms and some cayenne pepper just to give it a little boost, along with a little parsley and a little some garlic powder and different herbs. But I call it my Nola bound chicken because it has a lot of flavor. And my red beans, they say they're leftovers, they still taste so delicious. I just want you to see what I'm going to eat for dinner, and God bless. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye-bye.